Well, it's late April now, and it's been a while since I made a video. The last video I made was about maple trees, and in the yard I've actually found two different maple species just starting to come out. The buds are just starting to open right now because we're getting warmer weather. So the first species, and there's actually a few of these in the yard, this is a box elder, also known as an ash leaf maple or a Manitoba maple. And there's actually a few around here. There's one, two, third one out there, and then 4 or 5 down by the well, much smaller. I think these are sometimes considered weedy trees, probably just of how voracious they grow. But we can see here, so the leaves are all opposite. They're all paired with one another. And then this maple, the ash leaf maple, or boxleaf elder, is the only maple that has compound leaves. So one leaf is comprised of these 3 leaflets here. So 1, 2, 3. This is just one leaf. And then the corresponding leaf to it is right here with these 3 leaflets. So that's the easiest way to tell a boxwood elder from other maples. And you can see here a lot of the branches have actually broken off, so there's some that aren't paired with other ones. Another good way to identify a boxwood elder is if we look at the leaf scars. I don't know if you can see because the sun is so bright. Maybe if I go from this side. The leaf scars here, they wrap around the stem and join up with each other at a point. So there's a leaf scar under this stem here, and it wraps all the way around and meets the other one on this side of the stem, and it goes all the way around on the other side too. So they're conjoined around the whole stem, and where they meet up together, they sort of have an upward point to them. Trying to see if I can find a better one to look at here, but I think that's as good as we'll get. And then the other species that unfortunately doesn't have any leaves yet, but these 3 little saplings here are silver maples, and I know that because last year when I saw the leaves, I could ID them as silver maples. The buds are just starting to open now, but before they open, they were a nice bright red color. You can see down here the bud scales are red, and it's probably hard to see on my phone camera, but the leaf scar underneath has 3 bundle scars in it. So that's another way to help you key out a silver maple. The buds look really similar to red maples, so it's easier to identify once the leaves come in, because silver maples have really deep lobes in their leaves, whereas red maples and sugar maples don't. So I'll probably revisit these guys once they start getting leaves on them, and same with the boxwood elder as well. So yeah, there's just a couple of maple species that I also found in my yard. We'll probably look at some oaks next, because I know there's some oaks in the yard as well.